We're approaching from Leicester A6 to turn left towards Quorn. Mirror and signal at the 300-yard countdown marker. Hold your position in the left-hand lane on approach. Enter the roundabout and exit, being sure to avoid the hatched markings. Check your mirrors and accelerate to 50 if safe to do so. We're approaching the roundabout from Leicester A6, this time to continue straight towards the Ring Road and M1. This is at the 12 o'clock position, second exit. On approach, ensure that you hold your position in the far left-hand lane. As you enter the roundabout, ensure that you keep in the left-hand lane all the way around. And as you exit, be aware of the pedestrian crossing. And be sure to check your centre and right mirrors for merging traffic you may be overtaking, such as these two cars, before you accelerate. Now we're approaching from Leicester A6 to turn right towards Loughborough Town Centre. When you know you're going to turn right, move to the right-hand lane as soon as it is safe to do so. Reapply your right signal at the 300-yard marker and stay in the right-hand lane on approach to the roundabout. As you enter the roundabout, keep in the right-hand lane. Check the times of operation of the bus lane and spiral into the A6 North lane, exiting into the bus lane if it is not in operation, or into the right-hand lane if it is. Quick mirror check and accelerate to 50.